guys, so we made it back home, and I kind of want to take the time to update my vision board. Now if you guys have been following me for a while now, I think I made the vision board back when I had, I think, 4,000. I'm not too sure, between 4 to 8,000. I believe that's when I made the vision board, and I honestly don't show it as much as I want to, but this is pretty much it right here. I saw a comment from one of you guys saying that you guys want to see me update the vision board for 2022, so that's exactly what we're doing today. Shout out to Pink Scissors. Honestly, it has never been one of my goals to get one of these, but recently I've really been starting to love a lowrider. So definitely, this is more of like a long-term goal for me. I definitely want to get a lowrider, specifically a drop top Impala. So we're gonna go and throw this on the vision board. I've just been loving lowriders recently with some hydraulics. It just looks like such a fun car just to cruise in on the weekends. There you go. Alright, I think one of my biggest goals for this year is to actually get my own space. So I really want to shop, just to put a lift in, just have a space to work on the cars, you know, do merch out of, and then just honestly just a nice shop to have all the friends over, do a whole bunch of car stuff, a whole bunch of YouTube content. So this is pretty much one of my biggest goals for 2022. I actually already have it up on the vision board right here, but this is like a huge freaking warehouse. I want to go and update it with this picture right here. Alright, I'm going to put this one right there. Now specifically, it does not have to be a 4Runner, but I really want like a truck or like a big SUV just as a daily, and also something I want to do like a little bit of off-roading in. It just looks so fun, something that I've definitely wanted to dive into. I have a truck right here, as you can see, but we're just gonna go ahead and update it just to give the board a nice little refresher. So 4Runner is going up. All right, got some arms flexing. So this one is gonna replace this picture of dumbbells. I've always wanted to get fit, nice, have some nice arms. So we're putting the new picture up of a nice set of arms. Yeah, it's something I've always been wanting to do and just really get dedicated into. I really need to snap in it this year. I know I've kind of been saying that ever since I made this vision board. This is honestly one of my top priorities for this year, is to start working out consistent. Turbo kit. This year, I really want to turbo the 2022 BRZ. Outside, we have the FRS right there, which is supercharged already, so I definitely want to dive into a turbo kit with the new 2022 BRZ. It'll be a nice change. It'll be different from the supercharger. So this is definitely a goal for this year, is to turbocharge the new BRZ. I feel like I'm a broken record. I'm starting to say everything is a huge goal for 2022, but this one I really want to achieve in this upcoming year. We got a little notebook paper written in Sharpie, 100K, but we're gonna go ahead and replace that with, I'll put it up here, with the 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque. This is huge. I really want to attain this in 2022. Right now I believe, we're at 72,000, so we got 28,000 left for this upcoming year. You know, it's a lot, but I believe we can get it this year, and I'm just so hyped. I kind of made this little deal with myself. Now, if you guys can see, this says no more 9 to 5. I told myself in the last few videos that once we reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna quit my 9 to 5. But yeah, we're gonna go and put it next to the 100K plaque. So this is really exciting. I know you guys have been wanting to see the vision board in the videos because I don't really show it much. I put a picture of money up when I first made this board, but this pretty much meant like financially free, like leaving my job. So we're pretty much gonna replace that with this no more 9 to 5 one. So yeah guys, this is pretty much gonna do it for the 2022 vision board for this year. Like I said, I wanted to kind of refresh and update the old pictures that I had on the vision board and swap it out with some new ones, and go ahead and put this back up on the wall. I'm gonna try to show this more in the videos just to kind of remind myself and also show you guys. It's kind of just like a daily reminder, you know, waking up, looking at this is pretty much like the first thing you see on the wall. Alright guys, back in the garage. So we have the BRZ right here. I actually unplugged the battery right here, took the positive off, because we're actually going to be installing a brand new carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel on the 2022 BRZ. This kind of looks similar to the one that I had on the FRS. I believe I had it like a few years or 1 to 2 years ago, but this one, instead of the leather on the sides, it has a nice Alcantara on the sides, and then also a nice flat bottom right here. I went ahead and disconnected the battery so the airbag doesn't blow up in our face. So it's pretty much side-by-side comparison. We got the stock wheel obviously versus the carbon fiber Alcantara aftermarket wheel. I'll go ahead and have the link down in the description below. pretty much swapping everything from the stock steering wheel over to the aftermarket one. As you can see, we got the buttons transferred over to the carbon. Also, we transferred over the little metal pins for the airbag. We got a few things to put back. We got the cruise control and also that stuff over there to put on the new one. Alright, officially got everything transferred over. Good to go to throw into the BRZ. Let's go and do that right now. Alright guys, we are done. Let's see if the horn works. There you go. New steering wheel is now installed. So if you guys are interested in this same exact wheel for your FRS, BRZ, or even your 2022 GR86 or BRZ, got it from Subispeed, the go-tos. The cool thing is this steering wheel right here is not specific to like 2022 models. This actually came from a 2017 up 86 or BRZ. So it fits with the first gen, just the 2017s and up, ones that only come with the electronic controls right here on the steering wheel. So like I said, on the Subispeed website, it says right here, 2017 to 2022 BRZ or 86. So this is the exact steering wheel I got. It is the facelifted carbon fiber Alcantara steering wheel. If you guys are interested in this, I'll go ahead and put a discount code right here on the screen to save you guys 10% off. Use code Borges. It'll save you guys a little bit of money if you guys want to get this exact steering wheel or majority of the parts on their website. But yeah, I want to drive this thing. I want to see how this thing feels when we're driving. So I'm gonna go get the GoPro and we'll get a little POV drive with the new steering wheel. This car sounds so good. I can't get over it. I honestly like the sound of this car way better than the FRS. It's just so nice and deep, like rumbly. What do you guys think of the steering wheel? Let me know down in the comment section below. You guys prefer like the OEM look like this, or like a quick release steering wheel with no airbag or anything like that? Definitely is nice though, like the flat bottom Alcantara. I love the Alcantara feeling. The only thing I don't like about Alcantara is if your hands are like super dirty or greasy and it just wears off so fast, but it looks so good. The carbon, the red pinstripe. The only one that revs going into neutral. Recently I've been trying to look for a shop space to rent out instead of working out in my garage, and I'm actually gonna go to a spot right now that I actually was looking at the other day. I honestly don't think that it's available yet because it literally looks like they just built it. We're just gonna go here for fun because it looks so sick, and I'll show you guys because I think it looks cool. Oh, do you guys hear that? I think there's like a rock inside of my rotor. It's like making such a high-pitched noise. I think that's what it is. Guys, look how nice this is. They literally just built it. Like, it came out of nowhere. It's like in my area too, so I was like, yo, I don't know when they built this, but it's so nice. Yeah, these look massive, guys. Like, this is probably so expensive, especially in California, in my area. Like, these are probably a grip. But I just love looking at these. Yeah, we took pics. If you guys saw one of my recent Instagram posts, took pictures literally right here at this spot. Literally brand new. Like, this literally feels like it was just painted. But this would be so nice. Like, it's so quiet here. Got at the garage. I don't know, guys, I really want to shop. I've been really searching, you know, I don't really want to settle in a spot that I don't like. I've been looking for a spot, and also it's just so expensive, so that's like one of the hard things. But yeah, one day, guys, we're gonna get a shop. Like I said on the vision board, I want to get a shop this year. I just really need the space, like business wise, and also we can put like a lift in there. Got all the friends cars in there, you know, we just do a whole bunch of videos in the shop. I feel like it'll be so sick. I just need to expand, and that's pretty much why I'm looking to get my own shop space. But yeah, hopefully this year we can make it happen, guys. But like I said, I'm just searching around, trying to find a good spot. I think that's my rotor in the front. That sounds so bad. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. What do you guys want to see from the FRS? What do you guys want to see from this car? Drop any video ideas you guys want to see down in the comments below. I read all the comments. So if there's a certain video you guys want to see, I don't know, like a series, anything, literally just drop it down below. Check it out, and if it sounds like something cool, then I'm super down to do it on the channel. That's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. That being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.